Hello, this is Jeff with J&A Junction. I'm going to show you my Lionel Chessie S4 switcher engine. I got it back from Boxcar Build Modern Toy Trains on the OGR form. He put a cruise M in this engine, and also he fixed a smoke unit and put a new cab on it. So far he did a pretty excellent job, so I'm going to do a short video here of it and let you guys see it here. It's let you show you the smoke unit. It smokes really well now. So here we go. So that's the forward position now. At least when I slow it down here now, it doesn't lunge like it did. It slows down really smooth and picks up smooth. Brake squeal. You can see how really well this thing smokes. It'll really put the smoke out here in a minute. Hear the air compressor kick on the engine. Also, I did get a new horn for this too, because the other one was glued on, it was broke. So here's some of the crew talk. Here's the other one.
Chessie 909, you are clear to cross the yard.
Here's the other one. Okay, and then hit crew talk. Here's the front coupler. Okay, and here's the rear coupler. See, this got a cab light in it too, and 2 crew figures. We'll go the other direction with it here. There's the brake. I'll just pick back up. Like I say, this thing will run real slow. You can see how well it's smoking too. See, that's just barely a creeping. It's just sitting there, it's still moving. The other direction. Also, when Bill worked on this, he got my lights and my number boards better, that they show up better. Run a couple laps here. Like I say, Duck's car Bill in the OGR form as Modern Toy Trains. He did an excellent job on this. I'm really proud of it. So, kind of glad he fixed his smoke unit where it's not leaking and stuff like it was. So it's really fixed pretty good now. So here's the shutdown sequence. There's the air compressor again.